Hello everyone, welcome to Lahiru Arts YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a traditional Sri Lankan dance. Let's see if I can actually finish it without making a mess. Step 1. Sharpen your pencil like your life depends on it. If your pencil is sharp, your art will be sharp. Step 2. Don't panic. This blank paper is just a paper. You are the boss here. Let's start with some light sketching. Okay, this is the pro tip. If you mess up, just say it's your creative style. It works every time. The customs of traditional dances are so detailed. It's like drawing 1,000 tiny flowers. Good thing I had tea. Oh, maybe I need more tea. When you add in details, don't rush. Patience is key. Okay, shading is my favorite part. It makes everything pop. Or flop? Anyway, let's hope it's the first one. Ta-da! What do you think? Not bad, right? I mean, it actually looks like a dance and not a stick figure. Okay guys, finally, thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And tell me in the comments what I should draw next. See you in the next video. Goodbye.